When you're dealing with a medical malpractice case here in Arizona, because of the complexity of these cases and the detailed nature of them and the professional areas of practice, medical practice specifically, that you could be dealing with oncology or gastroenterology, there are a number of things that you could be dealing with. One of the most common mistakes is not attending appointments, not going to follow-up appointments. If there are independent medical examinations that are ordered or by the court or requested by an opposing party as a part of the litigation, to take those things lightly. You're going to need all of your medical records years back. And one of the most common mistakes I see people make, clients make, is not taking this stuff seriously. I get it. It's an arduous process. People are prying into your personal business, learning about medical issues that you may have had that are not even relevant to the case that you're pursuing the medical malpractice claims for. But you have to endure that process and not tire out. Take all of your appointments serious. Get all of your records, all of your bills. You can't come along 30, 60, 90 days after the case has settled or a verdict has been given to you by a jury and say, oh, wait, I forgot this $90,000 helicopter bill. Well, that's really not going to work in your favor. And so get all of your medical records, all of your medical bills, get all of the information that is requested by your attorney and by the opposing attorney to make sure that we have a complete picture of what has happened to you, and so that we can determine what is the deviation from the standard of care, what was done compared to what should have been done, so that we can get this information to the experts that will be necessary. And so take the process seriously. I get it, it's a slow process and you want it to be over quickly, but again, don't make the mistake of not taking the gathering and the collection of information seriously as it relates to your medical malpractice case here in Arizona. Our statutes demand that these records be turned over within a certain number of days after the complaint and the response is filed. And so you really have to be on top of this stuff so that you don't lose any of your claims. And so talk with your attorney. If you know you're going to have problems getting the records or getting the bills, make sure you let one of us know so that we can walk you through the process and we can make sure that your claims are preserved.